What you want, buddy? Huh? You want canned food? Do ya? Hey. What you want? Huh? You think Mom's got something for you? Huh? Yeah? What do you think? You think so? Should we look in the refrigerator and see? Is there anything in there? Huh? Anything in there? Go look. Go look. See anything good? See anything good? Yeah, you're sniffing. What do you think? No? Okay. What? Are we going in circles now? What would you like? Do you want some canned food? Huh? You want some canned food? What do you think? Okay, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Here, we'll get the plate. We'll get the plate. Okay. Okay. Yeah. We're getting the plate. What? Can you wait? Can you wait? Sweetie. What's Mama getting for you? Huh? What's she getting for you? Look at this corner. Good stuff, huh? Can you wait? Huh? Can you wait? What do you think you're getting? Huh? What do you think you're getting? I'm not teasing you? Yeah? What do you think? And over there, Willie is patiently waiting. And this one is impatient. Just hang on a second, buddy. Just hang on a second. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Let's go. Eat up. Good stuff, Maynard.